Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It is Monday. It is a federal holiday, Martin Luther King Day. Robin is home because she's a government employee and she is in the audience. And I'm getting a wave. I'm getting the princess wave. She's the queen. Let's just make that perfectly clear. Last night, we produced and prepared something really fun. Ultimate bacon grilled cheese. That's right. Bacon sandwiches mixed with grilled cheese. And when Robin, came back into the house, she brought all kinds of flavored American cheeses. I can't even tell you the names of them, but it's something to do with pepper jack and various other. They were really good. But I think you can only get them at Costco. Or, no, where? Oh, grocery outlet. Even better, because you don't have to pay to get in there. All right, so that's what we did last night. The picture and recipe and all that, you know the recipe. It's real easy. Tonight, doing something a little different, just a little. I'm preparing coconut curry baked cod. Yes, baking something for a change. Let's get to it. And I've got 4 pieces of not freshly caught, but frozen cod. You know the cod I use from the Winco. Love them, love them, love them. Kosher salt, black pepper, yellow onion, coconut oil, garlic, red bell pepper, good old coconut milk, fresh ginger, red curry paste, Roma tomato, fish sauce, and some lime juice. And I'll be serving that up with my rice pilaf. Rice pilaf just sounds perfect for this cod dish. It really does. If you noticed over the weekend, you didn't see me. I basically took the weekend off. And I did a lot of thinking over the weekend. And I'm taking a note from Bob Harlan's pages. He only does the weather reports Monday through Friday at like 4:30 a.m. I'm going to take that note, and I'm only going to be doing the morning daily message Monday through Friday. It gives me more time to spend with Robin, and also gives me more time for myself and for other projects like the tutorials and demos and other things. Plus, it gives me some peace of mind a little bit. I'm a chef. I don't have a brain. So, I'm sorry, that's wrong. For all my chef friends out there, we all have brains. By the way, keep Marie from English Kitchen in your thoughts and prayers. She's kind of going through something medical right now. So keep Marie in your thoughts and prayers. It's nothing major, but she's not having a comfortable time about it. So just kind of keep her in your thoughts and prayers. All right. So on this Monday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.